Class 9, example sum 3.45. Use graphical method to solve the following system of linear equation. So the equation is given as 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 and another equation is 6x plus 4y is equal to 8. Here we are using the graphical method. Without graphical method, we want to say how the graph will be appeared means, see, by using that algebraic method, the coefficient of x is, the ratio of coefficient of x 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2 divided by 4 is equal to 6 divided by 8. If you reduce this, we get 1 by 2. If you reduce this, we get 1 by 2. If you reduce this, we get 3 by 4. See, when a by a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 means it has a inconsistent solution. So there is no solution for this. By this condition we can say the two lines are parallel. Let's see in a graphical method. Here we have concluded the two lines are parallel lines. Then we see how. Solution. For the first equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Let me take it as equation number 1. For this, when x is equal to 0, in the place I am going to put x is equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0. 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. That is 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. 3 into 0 is 0. So we have 2y is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So the ordered pairs are 0, 3. First we have to write x and then we have to write y, 0, 3. The same way when y is equal to 0, that is 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 6. Right? This term becomes 0, then 3x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Here the ordered pair should be how to write in that first x-axis, that is 2, y-axis 0. So the first equation we have find out that the ordered pair. Now we have to find out the second equation ordered pair. 6x plus 4y is equal to 8 for second equation. Here also we take when x is equal to 0. 6 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 8. The whole term becomes 0. Then 4y is equal to 8. Then y is equal to 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. The ordered pairs are first x-axis 0 and y-axis 2. Y value, right? When y is equal to 0, the ordered pair is 0. Y is equal to 0. X-axis we want to find out. See, 6x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 8. Whole term becomes 0. Then 6x is equal to 8. Then x is equal to 8 divided by 6. If you reduce this, we get 4 by 3. Divide by 2 means 4 by 3. If you divide this 4 divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3, we get 1. Even it is a fraction means don't afraid about this. Just see, we get 3.0 means 10, 3, 1.3 something. 4 by 3 or 1.3. The ordered pair is 4 by 3 comma 0 or 4 by 3 is nothing but 1.3 comma 0. Let's see the graph. So here is a graph. Here I am using a pen to mention the terms. You use the pencil, right? Here the scale factor is x-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit. For the first equation we have find out that the ordered pair is 0, 3 and 2, 0. So 0, 3 means x-axis 0, y-axis 3, the point lies in the y-axis, that is 0, 3. And then second point is 2, 0. The x-axis is 2, y-axis 0. Y-axis 0 means the point lies in the x-axis. This is the point 2, 0. Now we have to draw the line for this 2 point for the first equation. So this is the line for the first equation. We can extend the line how much we needed, right? And then the line of equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. The first equation. And then the second equation we have find out that the values as for the second equation 0, 2 and 4 by 3 or otherwise 1.3, 0. First we place the point 0, 2 to plot the point 0, 2 x-axis 0, y-axis 2 means the point, x-axis 0 means the point lies in the y-axis, that is 0 comma 2 is the point, and then here 1.3 comma 0. See, it is a 1.3 means approximately here the point 1.3 comma 0, 1.3 comma 0 is the point. This is the point, right? So now we have to join these 2 points to construct a straight line. The line should be extended how much we needed, right? So this line of equation is given as 6x plus 4y is equal to 8. See, by this condition the 2 linear equations are not intersected, we get the parallel line, so it has no solution. So it has no solution for this. Here the given 2 equation, that the lines are not intersected or intersecting, right? So it has no solution. I already told you, we get the parallel line means the 2 lines are not intersected, so it has no solution for to the system of equation. Thank you, students.